Alright guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time you are coming to this channel, I want you to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Don't forget to copy the link and share to others. Yes. Right now, I must tell it to you that I came to somewhere and I found out the good news I want to share to you. Okay, as for those of you who have skin problem, I can always assure you that come to us, we can treat your skin problem. You get me? If you stretch mark must go. Operation stretch mark must go. Yes. If you have any melasma, hyperpigmentation, or any kind of skin irritation, you can always shout us via WhatsApp, the number on the screen. Okay, I want to introduce this to you. See this? Yes. Beauty Fair, right? You like it? You got it. Do you think of sometimes I don't wanna bleach, sometimes I don't wanna whitening myself. So this go to you, for those of you who thought of just toning, lightening your body. Are you getting it? This is the right lotion for you. Coupled with this lemon clear oil. Because this lotion contains some lightning and a moisturizing solution that will always help you. Now let's quickly go through. They say nature own skin clarify with deep cleansing oil to soften, moisturize and tone for a fresh, youthful expression. I think for those of you who don't like bleaching, who just want to tone, this is the right combination. Go for this and this. Let me show you inside. You see this. It's not magic. You see? And it has very nice aroma. Both of them, very nice aroma. So they work together. If you're looking for a best toning oil, it's this. You hear me? It can lighten you. That's within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks. Don't let anybody deceive you. Oh, this. You will see the result. Just add this to your oil, add this oil to your lotion. That's all. That's a new magic about it. Like, oh, go use some soap. Anyway, it might be skin type. I wouldn't have that. Some people, they have a very difficult skin. But with the help of this, it tone your body, it moisturize it. But let's quickly check out the ingredients they use on this. Let's quickly check out, because I just believe if I say this, it will make you understand it. Being here, be written, I just can't pronounce them now, but all this, I think they are very solution that you can apply. They are not harmful to the body. Are you getting it? So go for this. Are you getting it? Just go for this. I don't really have time to talk much about it because I have other more to introduce to you. Yes, I have other more to introduce to you. It's not a new lotion. It's been around since you've been around. So it's just that you haven't heard about it. Are you getting it? You haven't said Beauty Fair. Yes, everybody likes lightning. I like lightning. For those of you who want to just get lightning, this is for you. This is for you. Add this to this in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. But don't forget, I said the original only. So if you need the original, I said the original only. Yes, in the whole worldwide, I said the original only. AYA Cosmetics say so. And don't forget, we ship everywhere. You want to get good product, contact us. Peace out.